All right, we went through a lot, and I really hope you took some good notes and or go through this again to make sure you cover all this. But we're gonna summarize it all so you can reference back to this and take the time to go through these setups because you're really gonna find out what works for you, and you'll notice. I promise, you'll notice a boost in energy, and just your overall mood is much better, right? So definitely spend some time, and then you also just having that clear mind, you'll kind of become addicted to that clear, focused mind that when you don't do it, you'll feel like something's off and you'll notice my mind, I need to get back focused and get back into my flow, right? So, mindfulness and meditation practices can help traders manage emotions, stay focused, and make better decisions. Basic mindfulness practices such as body scans and breath awareness can be easily incorporated into a daily routine. So they don't have to be a long period of time. Most of mine are real short sessions, but getting yourself back down to here is really good. And just that alone is going to make a big change in the way you think and your ability to execute in the now. Regular meditation can help traders cultivate a sense of calm and manage stress and anxiety. Even if you're not a trader, you're feeling this right from other stuff in your life. So this you're gonna see a big improvement by if you do this because just learning to breathe when you're feeling a certain emotion and breathe a certain way, you know that it's gonna calm your body or do this to yourself, right? So being able to pull these out, get yourself grounded again, back to the now, back into your flow, the better life's going to be all around for you. Mindful self compassion can help traders overcome negative self talk and build resilience. Super important. You got to be your number one fan. You got to push yourself. But everyone here at the Forexation, as well as if you're in the mentorship, we all want the best for each other and we're going to support each other. So we're here for you, right? We're all cheering you on. So cheer yourself on even more than we already are. Mindful eating and exercise and rest as well. Make sure you're sleeping are essential for optimal trading performance and avoiding burnout. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your overall trading plan can lead to better outcomes and improved overall well being. So, again, you're going to have some success in trading, you're going to have some success in your life elsewhere, and together they're going to grow and push you forward together. So let's dive into your homework for today. And this, your homework's kind of something you're going to be doing ongoing, but I want you to get started today.